Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair second device to your Oladance OWS Pro. So these earbuds support dual connection, and now as you can see I have these earbuds connected to my first phone, and I can connect it to the second one without disconnect, without unpair at the same time. So just open settings and Bluetooth on your second device. If you have Android, click pair new device, and now you can remove it from the charging case, or you can just press at the same time both of this button until this LED light start flashing. So press and hold the touch areas, and now it start flashing. Here we go. And we can see it at the device list, so just click on it. And now, as you can see, we connected two devices to these earbuds. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.